Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks.
Shoot, I'm scared of what you got next. What you got over there?
Now these little pupsters here.
Oh, shoot. Uh-oh.
So, we were coming from Baltimore real quick, pit stopped in...
Baltimore?
Yeah, pit stop by Major to check out the fam. I had to pick up a t-shirt from over there that I wanted to get. I missed out on the last friends and family batch of the trap joints.
Oh,
yeah. So he came out with a yellow one.
Yes, he did.
Yes.
Oh, they sold out?
No, they didn't. So
okay.
I swung past there to get that.
I want to get every color of all the Trap and Field shit. Yeah. Like, I love that t-shirt and that hat. Yeah. I love that whole line, colors of the hat too. Man. Yeah, I need to go rock with a ducky and pick them joints up because that's just right. But anyway, so what's the rest of the context?
Yeah, so we get there. Tiff is with me, which is not very often, and so obviously her and Yoon get to chopping it up. We talking kids and yada yada, and then the kids were there, so
yes,
talking about
I saw them too.
Catching up with them, and then I was like, all right, I look over, and Tiff was like, I think I like those. I said, all right, well, let's see what we got, and
I like the packaging here.
Yeah, so there's the packaging.
Ooh, yep.
These are the Lionel Messi. The Messi.
I'll just look at him up. He got he moved into the Porsche Tower in Miami. The Porsche Tower, you drive your whip into it and take the joint all the way up. So you live, you got a big glass and you live and you can just see your whip for the joint.
That's great.
And they said Future just bought a joint there too.
Jeez.
The Porsche Tower.
The Porsche Tower.
Anyway, I digress.
So these are the Messi Sambas for his tenure down there with
Miami's
Miami, the Miami soccer team.
Yeah.
Now they had two colors. They have this color, and then they also have a color that is all black with the fuchsia or pink stripes.
Okay. Now these nasty.
These are tough.
These nasty. A lot of people, and I don't fucking know what a lot of people are thinking. But when you think pink, you think white, right? Like, pink and white. It's like a spring type of thing, whatever. So when you the tongue.
Yeah.
Pause. It's a couple things here. When you pair up pink with black, it does this mean, nasty kind of thing in my mind at least. So classic soul here for the Samba, right? You got the triangles. Yep.
The triangles.
They are not absent on this one. You got the classic suede on the front, little rough, whatever. This pink upper, gold Samba. That's all regular stuff. Black, the black stripes and the black on the heel is mean. It's just mean.
Yeah.
And the black on the inside of the tongue.
Yeah.
Oh, and a black on the inside of this little thing where the shoestrings go through?
Yep.
It's just like the black accents on this sneaker. It's just a mean sneaker, yo.
Yeah. These are tough.
These are tough.
And then you got the Messi symbol on the...
Yup, on the tongue there.
Yeah.
Adidas sign on the inside and on the sole as well. Oh, God, pink.
Yeah.
These shits is tough, yo. I just sent Trina's daughter, I tagged her in a post. They got some green and pink joint, like the AKA colors.
Yeah.
And whatnot. She's like, I gotta have them.
The gazelle joints.
Yeah, the gazelles. The gazelles. They wasn't sound.
I had those for a little while. I've always really liked those. The only issue I had with them is I couldn't bring myself to buy them because they originally came out with the Gucci versions. That colorway was the Gucci version first, and then they brought out the regular gazelles without the G's on it. And I can't bring myself to
couldn't do it.
I just can't do it. I don't know why. It's just like I know they're there. I know there's a Gucci version, and I don't want the JVs.
The JVs. Let me see if I can find.
But she's also an AKA, so
yeah, it would have been perfect.
All of that's out the window. It don't matter.
Anyway, it's all good. Yeah, these tough.
Yeah.
These tough. Tiffany, she's gonna have a good time.
She's gonna
with
kill these, man.
That's just that pink is just so. That's that Pepto-Bismol pink.
Yeah, man.
It don't get no pinker than this.
It don't get no pinker than this.
This is pink, people.
It's not fuchsia. It's not, it's not baby shower
What's the
pink.
other color? What's the color you said that everybody thought you had on pink?
Mauve?
It's not mauve.
It's not mauve.
This is pink.
I should have worn my mauve blazer today and taken a picture. This is pink. This is mauve.
Yeah, it's tough. Tough,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I like those a lot.
These are the joints,
pink
man.
and black, man. I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Man.
She's gonna have a good time with those.
Yeah, that's a good move right there, son.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll do.
Proud to keep talking about whiskey and kicks.